Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to write a YouTube video description. This can help your video rank higher in search. Let's get started. First, the basic structure of a good YouTube description is the first 2 to 3 lines. It's the most important part because this shows before the people click the show more, so include the main keyword, what the video is all about, and a clear benefit. And you need to have a detailed explanation in the middle section. You need to explain what viewers will learn, tools used, and who the video is for. Like this example prompt here. And after that, you need to have a call to action or the CTA to encourage engagement. You need to have subscribe, like, comment, or watch another video. And after that CTA, you need to have a link section. This optional. You can also include a social media link, affiliate links, related videos, and tools you use. And also a hashtags. And pro tips. Since you're creating a YouTube tutorial content, put your main keyword in the first sentence and don't keyword stuff. Aim for 150 to 300 words and match the description keywords in your title. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.